Learning English is not about studying hard. It is about listening every day, slowly, clearly. When you listen in English every day, even for just a few minutes, you learn new words. You remember them, and English becomes easier. That is why this podcast exists, to help beginners understand English in a calm, simple way. Subscribe now and make English part of your daily life. Today, I go to the supermarket near my house. The weather is warm and sunny. I carry my shopping bag and I walk slowly. At the entrance, I take a basket. The supermarket is bright. The air smells like fresh bread and fruit. First, I go to the fruit section. The apples are red and shiny. The bananas are yellow and sweet. The lemons are bright and fresh. I take 3 bananas. I take 2 red apples. I take 1 lemon. I put them all in my basket. Then I go to the bread section. The bakery is warm. I smell baguettes and croissants. A man puts fresh bread on the shelf. I smile and he smiles back. I take 1 baguette. The crust is golden and crunchy. I want to eat it now, but I wait. Next, I go to the dairy section. The fridge is very cold. I open the glass door. I feel the cold air on my face. I take 1 bottle of milk and put it in my basket. Suddenly, I hear a voice. It is my friend Anna. She says, "Hello? What are you buying today?" I say, "Bananas, apples, a lemon, bread, and milk." Anna looks at my basket and laughs. She says, "That is a healthy basket, but no chocolate?" I smile and say, "Not today." We laugh together. Then I go to the cashier. A woman in a blue uniform says, "Hello? Do you need a bag?" I say, "No, thank you. I have my own." She scans my food one by one: bananas, apples, lemon, bread, and milk. The machine makes a small beep each time. I pay with my card. I put everything in my shopping bag. I say, "Thank you. Have a nice day." The cashier smiles and says, "You too." I walk home slowly. A bag is not heavy. The sun is warm and I feel happy. If you listen every day, your English grows. But if you wait, nothing changes. Start now. Subscribe today. And don't miss tomorrow's slow, clear story.